Now let's solve for x here. Now we are given x to the power x equals 15. Now anytime you are given a power like this, you have to bring the power down, because there is no way you can express the right hand side. So what we are going to do here is to take log on both sides. So I'll proceed with the natural log. Ln of x raised to x equals to ln of 15. So this one is a power rule which will come behind this. That will be x ln of x equals ln of 15. I'll write it well. Okay, so we are interested in x ln of x. Remember, we have the x. Now we can complete this question with the idea of Lambert W function. So when you have p times e raised to p and take W function of this, the answer will be p. So don't forget that. And before we can apply the Lambert W function, we have to introduce the e. Okay, and e raising ln of something is that. So we can introduce this one in, which will pave way for the Lambert W function. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to support this x, since x can be written as e raised to ln of x, e is same as x. So let me write the ln of x times c raised to ln of x equals to ln of 15. Now check this, p times e raised to p. So what is here must be equal to this. Now let's check this one and that they are equal. Therefore, we can take the w function on both sides. We have w function c raised equals to w function of ln of 15. So from here, the answer will be 1. Ln of x equals to w function of 15. Okay, so we have the x. What do? We have to dissolve this one. So I'll raise both sides t. And once you do that, this side, remember the rule, is box. So this side will be x equals to e raising this. As simple as that. All right.